everybody, that wraps up the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time there's a new video. And also comment shout out, join, don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Ichigo from Bleach. Hopefully you enjoyed this message. I did have a lot of fun making it strong, but overall I am not too happy with the end result for the coloring process. I think I could have done a bit better with the coloring process, but overall it's a learning experience and I'm still getting better every single time I make a new drawing. So hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did, and I will be back with the fire drawing next week too. But if you want to see more Bleach drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. And if you want to follow my social media, it's going to be in the description. I also have a link to the Ohuhu markers that I used in the video, so check it out. Also, I'm going to be leaving some drawing plays in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you find some anime characters that I've drawn, or characters as a matter of fact that you may really like, so make sure to check it out since it'll be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and thanks to everybody. Peace.